is supposed to get out from here? Come on.
Our guys see that was from this morning.
Yeah. How is supposed to shovel? Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog channel Life of Priya. I am Priya Suman. Welcome you all to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and do like my previous videos. And today it's Monday here and I had to do a lot today, but unfortunately I got a notification in the morning of blizzard warning, and it is snowing so much. So it's almost 30 to 40 centimeters snow, and it will be snowing until whole day. And as I lost my wallet and I had to go to the bank to get my new debit card, but I'm waiting to get over from the snow. But again, Bob said that he will be helping me. Bob is helping me. He's taking me to the bank so that I can get my new debit card, and right now he's shoveling the car because there is a lot of snow there, and I'll show you how he is shoveling and brushing off the car. So let's watch. See how he's shoveling the car. Oh my god.
Welcome to Ottawa.
Yes. Can you see that? Oh my god. Hey Bob.
The shovel.
Oh my god. Look at him. This is snow. Oh. This is the situation here, and as I already mentioned that I lost my debit card, I had to go to bank today so that I can get my debit card because I am not able to access my money. And oh, I wanted you to all know that Bob need not to go anywhere. He's going for me only. It's so kind of him. It's his off day. He's just going for me with me so that I can get my new debit card. Thank you so much, Bob. Say it again.
No snowstorm is keeping me inside.
All right on. Only Corona can.
Yeah.
Oh, finally he shoveled and now he's brushing off the car. I am okay.
Try to walk in the
Thank you. Oh my god, Bob, it's too much.
yeah.
Wow. Oh shit. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh shit.
No. I'm all covered in
Snow?
yeah.
Holy
Let's go.
shit.
Holy shit is right.
Yes. And they didn't clear the roads even.
No, just the okay, here we go.
Yeah. Guys.
Oh, somebody's gotta dig themselves out.
Yes.
Around.
Oh, he got stuck here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh shit.
See? Could have been you.
Yes. And the same bus. This has been stuck here. Shit.
Yeah. Good luck with
This all white, you can see it's a blizzard.
yeah. For the afternoon.
And there's a rink.
content.
We got another bus stuck there. Thank God I didn't go out. See?
Blocked in.
They can help the buses to get out, right?
I think they're going to.
Yeah.
So they're there.
It's so hard to get out when it's snowing so much.
That's what I need.
This one?
Yeah, the vodka. Because I'm sure they won't be able to blow the snow. My God.
50.
50 centimeters, yeah. All
Can
in
you
one
see
day.
the snow coming? It's like a storm. Bob has experienced as much as 50 centimeters.
Yes.
Oh my God.
So this is nothing. The doors are stuck open.
Yeah. There's the bank. I have to go there. Oh. Still don't know where I dropped my wallet.
Poor thing,
See my
eh? Lined it up.
Ah.
They created their own spot.
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So finally I got my debit card and yeah, it took a lot of time. I mean almost 1 hour. They were fixing all the things because I had opened some other accounts too, and like right now I'm here inside the car and Bob is again shoveling the car. See, he's brushing because it's snowing so much. So. Oh, he has to do it every time, my God. And that is my bank. So it took 1 hour, I guess.
Did it take an hour?
I don't know.
It was funny because all I kept on thinking was you said right away about the hour on the phone.
Yeah.
So they're going to keep you an hour inside there.
And you know what? He was like at the end, he said that please give us the rating. And see,
yeah.
you can see this smiley and you can click on the right smiley.
Yeah.
I mean, whatever you feel like about the service. And you know, last night I did the survey and I put all like 1 in every section.
Nice.
Yeah, I said that I am extremely disappointed with the service because the way he talked, you remember?
Yeah.
That's why you should not lose your card. Now we are back towards home.
And did they give you a Visa card?
No, they said that they will be sending me.
No, okay. That has
Yeah.
to go in the mail.
Yeah, mailbox. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe, do like our previous videos and do comment, share. Bob, say them to subscribe.
Please subscribe to all the videos. Look at all the videos.
Subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel.
Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss a notification from our video.
And like all the videos and watch them to the fullest consent.
Yes. From starting until end.
Yes.
Don't miss it. Don't skip it.